young explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is pronouns, right? So what are these pronouns? Pronouns are basically the words जिन्हें हम nouns की जगह पर use कर सकते हैं, right? So how these words help us, right? Why do they remove the nouns? Why we can replace these nouns with these pronouns? Let us read the chapter and let us know. So, first of all, we have the let's understand box, which says word used in place of nouns are called pronouns. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि जो भी words हम noun की जगह पर use कर सकते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है pronouns, right? So, read these following sentences. अब जल्दी से इन सभी sentences को पढ़ते हैं जो हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. So it says, Amit loves to play cricket. He plays well. Sheena bought mangoes. She is eating them. Tarun has a brown dog. It likes milk and bread. Aman and Amol will go to the market. They will buy pens. All the highlighted words in the above sentences are used instead of nouns. हमने देखा कि जितने भी highlighted words हैं यहाँ पर, जैसे कि he, she, it और they, ये सभी nouns की जगह पर use किए गए हैं. Correct? We do not use names of persons, things or places repeatedly. Right? कि हम लोग persons के नाम, things के नाम या फिर places के नाम repeatedly use नहीं करते हैं. Right? We use substitute words for them to avoid repetition. कि हम substitute words को use करते हैं ताकि हम repetition avoid कर सके. Right? Such words are called pronouns. और इन्हीं words को हम pronouns के नाम से जानते हैं. Now, moving ahead to kinds of pronouns. तो अब बात की जाए kinds of pronouns के बारे में. Right? So what are they? So, the different kinds of pronouns are. अब यहाँ पर हमें अलग अलग तरीके के pronouns के बारे में समझाया गया है. Let us read this and know more about these kinds of pronouns. So, they are personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, and relative pronoun. Correct? Now, talking about personal pronoun. So, what is this personal pronoun? ये personal pronoun आखिर क्या है? Right? Pronoun that are used instead of names of things or people are called personal pronoun. ऐसे pronoun जो use किए जाते हैं that are used instead of names, यानी कि जो names के जगह पर use किए जाते हैं, names of things or people are called personal pronoun. यानी कि things और people के नाम की जगह जो words use किए जाते हैं उन्हें हम personal pronouns कहते हैं. There are 3 persons. कि total 3 persons होते हैं. Right? That is first person, second person, third person. अब ये तीनों persons कौन होते हैं? The first person, the person speaking. यानी कि जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं तो जो person बोल रहा होता है वो कहलाता है first person. Right? Second person, the person spoken to. Second person होता है जिस person से बात की जा रही होती है. right? Suppose I am talking, so I am the first person, you are listening, you are the second person, correct? Third person कौन होता है? The person spoken about. ऐसा person जिसके बारे में बोला जाता है वो होता है third person, correct? Now moving ahead, the various forms of personal pronouns are given in the table below. बहुत सारे personal pronouns के like forms हैं जो कि यहाँ हमें table में दिए गए हैं. What are they? First person in the singular and plural form, such as singular form में होता है I, me and my. वही plural form में बन जाता है we, us, ours, used for both masculine and feminine, right? Next, second person in the singular form, you and yours. और plural form में same ही रहता है you and yours, which is used for both masculine and feminine gender. Third person. अब ये third person कौन है? He, him, his. Masculine, she, her, hers. Feminine, it, neuter, right? Now ये plural में जाके बन जाते हैं they, them, theirs, used for masculine, feminine and neuter gender, right? Next, we have reflexive pronoun. अब ये reflexive pronouns क्या होते हैं? So, reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of a sentence is the same. तो reflexive pronoun जो है वो use किए जाते हैं जब subject और object एक sentence के same होते हो, right? The reflexive pronouns are myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself and themselves, right? So, ये सभी हमारे कुछ reflexive pronouns हैं. Now, we have some examples. Let's read them. She cut her finger herself. They blamed themselves for the problem. She dressed herself nicely. Correct? Now, moving ahead, we have one don't forget box. Let's read it. So, it says, reflexive pronoun is formed by adding self for single or singular number or selves for multiple or plural numbers to the personal pronoun, right? So what they are saying is कि reflexive pronouns जो हैं वो बनाए जाते हैं self add करके जब हमें singular या फिर single pronoun की बात करनी होती है और जब हमें plural या फिर multiple numbers की बात करनी होती है तब हम उनमें selves add करते हैं, right? और ये सभी हम personal pronouns में add करके ही बनाते हैं, correct? Moving ahead, next thing that we have is the demonstrative pronoun. So, what are these demonstrative pronouns now? So, a pronoun that point out the nouns to which they refer are called demonstrative pronoun. ऐसे pronoun जो point out करते हैं nouns को जिनको वो refer करते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है demonstrative pronoun, right? Examples: this is a beautiful house. These are mango trees. Moving ahead, we have interrogative pronoun. So, अब ये interrogative pronouns क्या होते हैं? Let's see. A pronoun that introduce a question about the noun in the sentence are called interrogative pronoun. तो एक ऐसा प्रोनाउन जो इंट्रोड्यूस करता है एक क्वेश्चन अबाउट द नाउन, यानी कि नाउन के लिए जब हमारे माइंड में क्वेश्चन उठता है, राइट, और वो उसी सेंटेंस से रिलेटेड होता है, तब हम वहाँ पर इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, whom are you buying these flowers? Which is your umbrella. Correct? Moving ahead. Next thing that we have is possessive pronoun. अब ये possessive pronouns क्या होते हैं? So, pronouns that are used to show possession or ownership are called possessive pronoun. ऐसे pronouns जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं possession दिखाने के लिए या फिर ownership दिखाने के लिए, उन्हें कहा जाता है possessive pronouns. Examples, this bat belongs to me. It is mine. These clothes are theirs. This pen is yours. करेक्ट. तो जब भी हमें हक दिखाना होगा, हक जताना होगा, तब हम इन सभी वर्ड्स का यूज करेंगे जिन्हें हम possessive pronouns कहते हैं. Again we have a do not forget box. Let's read it. So it says, like most adjectives, a possessive adjective is placed before a noun. तो बाकी सभी adjectives की तरह ही possessive adjective जो होता है वो भी noun के पहले ही लगाया जाता है. A possessive pronoun is placed in the place of noun. पर एक possessive pronoun जो होता है वो noun की जगह पर यूज किया जाता है. Correct? Now, moving ahead to the next one, which is relative pronoun. So, अब ये relative pronouns क्या होते हैं? Let's see. A relative pronoun relates a noun to a group of words that follow. एक relative pronoun relate करता है एक noun को एक group of words के साथ जो कि हम follow करते हैं, जैसे कि who, which, whom, what, and that are relative pronouns. Right? Examples, this is the girl who was crying. I do not know what she wants. It was not that doll she wanted. Correct? Next, we have do not forget box. Let's read this. Relative pronouns are not used to make questions. कि relative pronouns का use हम questions बनाने के लिए नहीं करते हैं. They stand for nouns and also help us to join sentences. कि ये nouns के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं और साथ ही साथ ये हमें help करते हैं कि ये दो sentences को join करने में. Right? So, that was all about the chapter pronouns. I hope you all are clear with them as well as their kinds. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.